some nations. Plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion. The opinion was rotation. Number one is companion. The number two, oh, conclusion. Number three is commotion. Fuji house of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of promotion. Preaching practical solution. A Fuji house of promotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, oh, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of promotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of promotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of promotion.
Is that the way to say thank you?
For the food which you will eat.
You go. Then tie your mouth. Won't you eat?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 3 is commotion. A Fuji.
That is just the preamble. Tonight,
Don't let Ireti kill me. It is her week.
I will change the timetable, though. I will change the timetable. Oh, that's Ireti and her. This woman will kill me. Peaceful peace. My peaceful yellow banana and tomato.
Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2. Wife number 3 is commotion.
So you people are laughing at me, eh? Alambo zabuku neba. Kita kada nwa nwanne babuku.
Wait. What is happening here?
I come down here and they started abusing me and laughing at me in Yoruba.
Will you people tell me why you are laughing at my peaceful peace in my house?
Laugh at her. We no get job.
Shut up your scattered teeth.
But don't worry me.
So you two can laugh at somebody.
Tia, but we are just discussed as your head.
And you were speaking in Yoruba.
Have I not said it that nobody should speak any other language in this house except the lingua franca?
Tia, Franca, who's she? Mommy, English.
English. And you are laughing at somebody. Sure.
But don't worry me. We weren't talking about her. But only Ashwebi.
But you don't talk about that one either. Small time now you start asking for money for it.
The number is temporarily out of service. Please go to Nitel Accounts Office to reconcile your account. The number is temporarily out of service. Please go to Nitel.
Ma beg you for this, Mrs. Nitel.
Chief, what is it?
They have tossed my line again now.
Tia, but I think you paid them money last month when they cut it.
I did. This is the middle of the month. They have not sent any bill and they have not told me what the problem is. Now they have tossed the line. Ireti, you will go to Nitel and find out what the problem is this time. Because I don't have time for this nonsense Nitel people. Always looking for money like vultures.
But Olowori, I've never.
Just go there and find out, my friend. All you know is how to eat and then of course sleep. And how to buy Ashwebi, that's all. Nonsense.
Kuna onye binigwe ka mbuli aha gị elu n'ihi na aha gị dị nsọ. Sopo. Oh. Bolaji, go upstairs. Go and change that. Afternoon.
Anytime my mother cooks, the difference is clear. Yes, so people like catering practice can learn how good food should smell. I can smell stockfish, beef, fish, cow leg, and other orishirishi assorted meats. The only problem is that we can only smell it. We won't eat it. Mind yourself,
go.
1 minute. This soup is sweet. Very delicious.
Nobody's there.
That's good. Meet us first. Please come inside.
My brother, that smell from your kitchen is sending serious shocking waves down my spine. Say your mama side don't come.
Okay. Boy, please.
Madam Yellow, are you?
Nami.
Wonderful woman. You seem to be ready for me today. It's people like you that this country needs. Good citizen of Nigeria. Madam, your people there for road.
Did I send you to the road? Eh? You see that my pot of soup? You shall not taste it.
Madam, you should cooperate with us.
Which other cooperation do I need than to show my tax receipt? Ozu.
I told you, we smell the meat, they eat it. Go and get your mother to cook.
Children, the meat is still hard, eh? Bolaji, taste it for me. Eh?
Let me taste for you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Mommy, please, let me taste for you.
Longer throat. Come here, meat. Are you still there?
Yes, of course.
Welcome, where are you going?
I need to inspect the kitchen.
Why?
For value-added tax evaluation. Let's see what you have here. Cow leg, 250. Even pomo dey here. Pomo, 250. Shaki. Even chicken. And even orishirishi dey here. Madam, please cooperate.
What do you mean cooperate with my pot of soup?
Madam, according to section 25, subsection 5 of the 1996 value-added tax, you are to pay 5% of anything you buy.
Ibujekwe. So you want 5% of the total pot of soup?
Madam, if you will cooperate, you can sit down and talk about it.
Okay. I will cooperate, eh? Go to the panel.
Old woman, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
no meat. Your mother should be a prison warder.
Why not? Since you all behave like criminals.
Young lady, how are you?
If I tell you, can you afford it?
After my rounds today, I can afford lunch, even in Sheraton.
Oh, yeah. Sheraton. And you are still sitting down there, doing longer truth.
Coming here to shut our ration.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Come, don't insult me because I'm not arresting your mother for not having her VAT.
Oh, arrest it, Labo.
Then burn them well.
Okay, you are going to show me your tax receipt now.
Dondi, she's in secondary school.
This one is too old to be in secondary school.
You're shut up.
Or is it my fault if she has been failing? In short, young lady, you are going to show me your tax receipt now. That is exactly what I am going to do.
What are you doing to her?
Collecting her tax receipt, sir.
Collecting a tax receipt like this and this? Does those look like a tax receipt?
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry. Now listen. If I ever catch you in this house or on this street collecting tax receipt, I will send you to Garrison guard room. Sorry. Out! Ìyàwó mi àtàtà.
Raji, my dear. Let me get you.
Anything for the boys?
Let me get you.
No, I will take this.
Don't, it's not.
Please! Do you still have salt and pepper in this house? Have you put everything inside this too?
Yeah, I said you should wait.
You see, God save that tax man.
Water.
Ola, don't block me now. This is block.
What is it?
What is it?
It's Bolaji! Papa, I didn't touch her. He said that you go and get my mother to cook for us. She was asking my mother after she gave her food to eat. Without meat. And she eats money because I said she should give me meat instead. Like she gave Bolaji and sister Jumoke.
My dear, are you back? What is it, Chief?
Hitler, when will you stop all this your small wickedness?
Chief, mind yourself. Oh.
You insult me in my own house?
Where do you want the insult? Where do you want it?
Why did you not give these children meat after all the money I gave you in the morning?
Children should eat meat only once a day.
Why?
So they don't go stealing.
So your own children can become armed robbers because you give them meat yafu anytime you are in charge of kitchen affairs. Go and find meat and give these children now.
Oh, so they reported me to you, eh?
Shut up!
Can't everybody follow.
Opinion.
Don't touch anything.
If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number one is companion. The wife number two, pollution. Wife number three is commotion. Fuji house of commotion.
How do you know it's my hand? But be careful. Be careful. Just be careful. Pass me the candle. Just be careful. But be careful.
Grab you. Abi. Grab you.
Wait for me, man. You eat anybody's food. I you still look like coffee. Oh yeah, everybody, take that tray away.
If I get drunk with this guy,
Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion.
Where are you coming from this late?
Nightel. They kept us there waiting until this evening. Then they said I should come tomorrow to reconcile the account.
But I reconciled the account last tomorrow.
Well, they said I should come with the whole file from the first day the phone was installed.
These Nightel people, I think I should beg you for them. You reconcile the account every month. You go there to collect your bill. Then you go to the bank to pay and still return the bill to them. Anyway, that's the file over there.
There is no Nightel file here.
That one in front of you.
Hey. Mudaron.
What is killing you?
The bag.
Carry it back to Nightel. After all, what a man can do, a woman can do better. Abi? Police, meter, and other words. Passed on. Peace and peace. Peace fully.
Was a time in some nation.
Don't mind that. Who took my meat now? Jumoke, my meat. Give me my meat. Jumoke, give me my meat now.
Did your brother? Your brother ate out yesterday.
I'm not gonna write my Jumoke, I'm warning you. Give my meat.
Did your brother take out?
I saw what you're talking about. Jumoke, you mad? Give my meat. Give me my meat.
What is that one?
Tell her to give my meat. My meat is very Jumoke.
Wait,
She ate my meat, Mama.
Rabiu ate everybody's meat
So
yesterday.
I'm Brother Rabi, Abi. I'm Brother Rabi.
So you eat mufu meat today?
Before uncle.
Please. So you are support Jumoke to do like man. You don't know she's a woman. Fighting in public.
Yagba, respect yourself.
What does it look like?
Okay, calm down. Let us settle.
Discuss with my section here.
Discuss what?
I beg you. Oga Nepa, let us discuss.
Your receipt.
It's there for our husband file and he's going to work.
Oh boy, now I beg. Cut.
I will give you something.
Wait, calm down. Something like wait.
150 naira.
Come. Bring down every wire away there. No single wire should be up. Bring them down.
Wait, no cut. I beg you. I beg you now.
Madam, I won't help you. If you get 500 naira, bring her.
Look. I get 250 naira.
Come.
Now.
But no waste time. Just
I
cut
beg. Wait. Don't bring down. Our guys here.
Papa has come.
What is going on here?
They want to cut our light except we pay 500 naira.
But I'm not owing.
We have our instruction. Besides, this is mass disconnection. So, we shall disconnect.
Let me see that meter number.
Oh God, is this not your house number?
This is Alika's meter now.
If one person is owing in the compound, that means we shall disconnect the whole yard.
Yes. Officer, carry on.
Chief, that means we won't have light.
Do we have light now?
No, but at least.
Since when have we had light for more than 30 seconds?
2 years ago.
So, officer, carry on, no jare. Look, all of you, go inside, go back.
Even polite.
Oh boy, before calling the 250.
Nah, me I weak for this kind chief. I beg, carry this thing more just the waka come out. I beg. This kind chief self, carry this ladder more they go.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, confusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions. A Fuji house